Beijing Winter Games have kicked off. While China may be lauding its zero-COVID strategy, its so-called sporting spirit and its infrastructure, the next set of visuals that we are going to show you presents a completely different picture. That of a China that we often talk about, one that has continued its crackdown on the media and journalists alike, even at its celebrated games. Here's a Dutch reporter in the middle of a live broadcast. And here he is being dragged away by security officials. All this during the games at the Bird's Nest Stadium in Beijing. The Dutch outlet later tweeted about the same, attracting attention to the reality of journalists in China. The International Olympic Committee has called it an unfortunate circumstance, and all media, along with participants, are limited now, as we all know, to a closed loop during the games to curb COVID-19 cases.
Ja, we worden hier inmiddels, u merkt het, al weggetrokken. We zijn net ook al bij een ander gebied weggezet. Dus ik vrees dat wij later even bij je moeten terugkomen. Dat kan halen, ja.
Dat denk ik ook, Sjoerd. We gaan door met het film. We gaan naar China, naar onze correspondent.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.